Hi everyone, I'm very excited to share you that DSC PGDAV is also on Discord server now. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can join our server and why you should join our DSC server and what are the channels in our server. I'm Summer, your DSC PGDAV community lead. So first of all, I want to share you that why you should join our community. You, me, and other creative minds who really like to work on something, but many times they lack motivations or they need guidance, and it may be in any form of discussion or a pep talk. So, what you will find in our community is a group of like minded people who can help you out in any situation. So that's why we jump to our Discord server. If you have never used or know about Discord server, then don't worry. I'm here to tell you all about Discord and how you should join our server. Basically, Discord is a voice, video, or text communication service used by over 100 million people to hang out and talk with their friends and communities. The best part about this Discord is it has an organized conversation. Topic based or voice channels give you an organized way to talk about all the things which you love. Like if you're good in coding, then you can talk about the coding related stuff in that particular channel. Or if you're good in designing or video editing, then you can talk about or share resources or knowledge on that particular channel. Okay, so this is the best part about organized conversation. So DSC PGDB Discord server is born as a way for creator to meet each other and help each other grow together and do peer-to-peer learning. So this is where fun and magic happens. So let's dive into our newly launched Discord server. So this is our Discord server. Here you can see in the left side, in the right side, you can see all the members who have joined our Discord server, and on the left side you can see all our channels. About before going through all the channels, let me tell you how you should join our server. You have to click the link which is given in the description or in the post. As you click the link, you will see this page. Then you have to write your username is kind of your nickname, or it could be anything. Make sure to give your username as your name. Like I will share the username as Surya, Surya. Then click continue. It shows that this username is already taken by some other guy, so you can edit this name by Surya 1994. So then continue. Let's wait for some more time, then click I am not a robot. Yep, now we just enter to our server. Just wait for some few seconds. Yep, now you have to enter your date of birth. Okay, then done. Now for verification, you have to give your email ID. Then claim account. Yep, so it shows that thanks, we send a confirmation mail to your ID for claiming, so you can claim that in the later part. Then you have, so this is all about how you can join our Discord server. So if you are on mobile, then you can install the Discord server app, or if you are on your desktop or your laptop, then you have to install the desktop app. Or don't worry, if you don't want to install that, you can directly enter our server through the website, through the website. Now as you enter to our server, so the first channel which pop out is the welcome part. Before introducing to the channels, let me tell you that all the channels is like a room. It's a chat room where you can talk to your peer mates or your friends. So this is all about channels. So the first is the welcome channel. So as you join the welcome channel, then one of our bot will congrats you that hey, welcome to the DSC. Now you have to introduce yourself on the introduce yourself channel. So here is our introduce yourself channel. Then you have to introduce, hi, my name is Surya and I am pursuing this courses in this college, or I have these hobbies. So you have to mention this in the introduce yourself channel. Okay, and make sure to read the rules of the community. So these are the important rules which you have to follow throughout our community. So this is all about rules, welcome, and introduce yourself part. Now moving to the journal section. Here you can see that in the journal we have our first channel is announcements. So all the announcement related to DSC will be mentioned in the announcement channel. For example, अगर हमने कोई event कर रहे हैं या कोई भी हमने session रखा है या speaker talk रखा है, तो we will mention all these in this announcement channels. So this is the announcement part. Then in the journal talk. So journal talk में क्या है कि तुम्हें कुछ भी doubt है regarding the DSC PGDAV की हाँ क्या क्या हम events कर रहे हैं या कुछ भी तुम्हें queries हैं जो तुम्हें जानना है, तो you can ask in the journal talk channel. Okay. After that we have so many domain kind of channel. For example, if you're good in app development or mobile development, so you can talk with other students or other peer mates who know about a mobile development part. So you can ask your doubts, or you can share, you can talk with your friends in the mobile development part related to Android or apps kind of stuffs. Then after that we have our web domain part. So in the web domain you can talk about website, how to create your website, or different frameworks, or anything related to web domain. So you can share resources, videos, tutorials, so that other peer mates can know about web development. Okay, so don't worry if you are a beginner in the web development, we will try to teach or try to help you out to teach you about website part. Okay, then we have our cloud domain part, where you can talk about Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, or AWS for Amazon. So this is the cloud domain part. Then we have our design part, where you can share your design stuffs, like if you have created any posters or if you have created any videos, so you can share this in the design domain part. Then we have our coding channel, where we will talk about the MLDS algo stuffs, or the competitive coding kind of stuffs, or problems regarding any particular DS topic. So you can share or resources or queries in the coding part. So then we have our ML AI domain part, where we will talk about machine learning, artificial intelligence domain kind of, or we will share the resources in this channel. Okay. Then we have our scholarship and opportunity part. So there are lots of scholarships opening on in a daily basis. Then so we will try to share the links of the scholarships, and in opportunities we will share the different programs which are related to tech students or any department. Then we will share this in this channel. Now moving further, we have our open source channel, where we will discuss about GitHub kind of stuff, or how to contribute in open source projects. So we will share all the stuff in open source part. Okay. Then we have our internship channel, where we will post the internship which are currently opening in different companies or different domains. Then we will share the internship in these channels. Okay. Then we have our suggestion feedback part. So for example, if you want some tutorial on any topic, so you can suggest or share your suggestion or feedback in this channel कि हाँ हमें next वीडियो हमें इस पे चाहिए या मेरे को ये सीखना है, so that according to your requirement we will try to create, or we will try to share the resources for that part. So suggestions and feedbacks are welcome in this channel, so don't worry, you can share your suggestions or feedback. Okay, then moving on to our fun and learn part section. So in this we have a tech news where we will update all the tech related stuffs or the news on this channel. So after that we have a startup part. So in the startup part, all the startup news, or if for example if we are working on any startup, then we will try to share all the stuffs in the startup. Or if you are good in the startup world or want to share some resources or want to share your experience, then you can share this in the startup channel, so that more and more people will know about the startup environment. Okay, then we have the books channel where we will share the books related to different fields. Like I am currently reading any self-help book and a coding book, and it's a very beneficial for other students, then I will definitely share the PDF of that book or the link or some summary about that book कि हाँ book किस पे है, तो you can share the. Then we have a self-promotion channel where you can promote, where you can share the post or the stuffs related to different fields in the self-promotion, so that more and more people get engaged to that part also. Then we have our memes channel कि सबको memes post करना तो पसंद है, तो हमने memes के लिए भी अलग channel बना रखा है, and you can post the memes in the channel. बट मेक श्योर कि रूल्स एक बार पढ़ लेना, उसके अकॉर्डिंग तुम सब शेयर कर सकते हो जो भी डिटेल्स. ओके, देन वी हैव आवर गेम्स चैनल. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव एन ऑफ टॉपिक चैनल विच इज़ नॉट रिलेवेंट टू DSC or tech, then you can talk about any topic in this off topic channel. Okay, then moving on to our other section, which is showcase. So in the showcase there are 3 channels. So first is the share your work. For example, if you have created anything related to tech or any kind of stuff, then you can share this in the share your work channel. We'll post it in our community social media platforms. Then second thing is project suggestions. As in DSC, we are not only do events, we are also create projects regarding different fields, or we are also want to solve the community problems. So for this we need some project ideas or suggestions. So if you want to work with us or contribute in any projects, then you can ask your doubts or queries in the project suggestions, or if you want to give suggestion regarding any project, then you can share this in that channel. Then networking part, if you want to network with other students, then you can post, connect in the network channel. So ये सब हो गया हमारे tech channel. Now we have our voice channels. So the first thing is the conference room 1. So in the conference room we will discuss about any topic, so that it's जो भी voice channel है, it's kind of discussion channel जहाँ पे बहुत सारे members आके discuss करेंगे any topic पे, या कुछ न्यूज़ पे हो गया या किसी भी टेक चीज़ पे कि हाँ कोई भी टॉपिक है तो उस पर we will discuss with all other members in our community. तो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम बना रखे हैं यूट्यूब वॉइस चैनल में. चिलिंग लॉन्ज है, यहाँ पे तुम डिस्कस कर सकते हो, बात कर सकते हो अपने फ्रेंड से. तो ये हमने चिलिंग के लिए अलग से वॉइस चैनल बना रखा है, तो तुम यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो ऑटोमेटिकली. यहाँ पे बस क्या करना होगा तुम्हें, यू हैव जस्ट क्लिक दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम 1, तो यहाँ पे तुम एंटर हो जाओगे जस्ट. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें फिर कट करना है, कैंसिल करना है, तो तुम यहाँ से डिस्कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, तुम वहाँ से बाहर हो जाओगे. तो ये वॉइस चैनल के फीचर्स थे. उसके बाद हमारे पास एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप टॉक्स चैनल है, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस चैनल है, तुम भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो वहाँ पे. यहाँ पे इंग्लिश टॉक करेंगे बस. फिर गेमिंग टॉक्स के लिए अगर तुम गेम लवर हो और गेम डेवलपमेंट की नॉलेज है तो तुम यहाँ पे टॉक दे सकते हो या शेयर कर सकते हो बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के साथ। ओके, देन द मोस्ट फन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट जो हमारे डिस्कॉर्ड में वो है म्यूजिक बॉट। सो यू कैन ऑल्सो लिसन म्यूजिक 24/7 बाय एंटरिंग इनटू द म्यूजिक जोन। सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास हैं डीजे घनश्याम जो हमारे डीजे हैं। तो जैसे ही तुम एंटर करोगे यहाँ पे, देन वहाँ पे कोई भी रैंडम सॉन्ग चल रहा होगा, डीजे मतलब गाने चल रहे होंगे, तो देन यू कैन लिसन और वर्क साइमल्टेनियसली। ओके, सो एक बार मैं तुम्हें ओवरव्यू कर देता हूँ। जैसे कि तुम म्यूज़िक बॉट पे आ गए, म्यूज़िक बॉट कंट्रोल, यहाँ पे कोई भी तुम्हें सॉन्ग प्ले करना है तो तुम्हें क्या करना होगा, जस्ट टाइप एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क पी और कोई भी सॉन्ग का नेम। हाँ, तो ये स्टार्ट हो गया चलना, तो यू कैन हियर द वॉइस ऑफ द म्यूजिक। ओके, either you can stop this like by clicking disconnect, तो ये स्टॉप हो जाता है म्यूजिक। सो ये था हमारा म्यूजिक बॉट पार्ट, क्योंकि चिलिंग जोन है वहाँ पे तुम म्यूजिक सुन सकते हो। देन देर इज, एक बार मैं डिस्कनेक्ट कर लेता हूँ। देन देर इज अ कॉन्टेक्ट अस पार्ट। सो कोई भी तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम है या कंप्लेंट है रिलेटेड टू आवर कम्युनिटी, देन यू कैन शेयर योर क्वेरी इन द कम्युनिटी हेल्प और कंप्लेंट पार्ट। ओके, सो दीज आर द चैनल्स। अभी हम और भी चैनल्स इंक्रीज करेंगे, सो डोंट वरी। अगर यहाँ पे चैनल्स कम है या तुम्हारे टॉपिक्स के नहीं है, बट वी विल ट्राई टू क्रिएट मोर चैनल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर, and make sure to join our Discord server. Links are in the description or in the post. So that's it from my side. We will see in our upcoming events. So thank you so much. Bye.